So the reason for their success, as I see it, high quality people, high quality leaders, and very detailed on the process. Okay, and that's how they can do it in 2 months.
Hey, Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look, man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
Let me tell you what happened last week. So I told you I always want to learn from the best sales teams. So Alibaba, the company that we partner with, they started their own direct sales team in the province of Bingyong. So they have about 3 teams. They sent the best leaders, managers to Bingyong. They got these leaders from China. Actually, 2 from China, 1 from Taiwan. They picked the best and put them in the Bingyong province, okay? And then they hired people locally, and they started 2 months ago. First, let's talk about their result. In 2 months, every salesperson they recruited has 1 order, minimum. Most of the orders are from $24.99 to $20,000, meaning they only sell to big customers and only sell big orders. They don't sell to small customers, they don't sell small order, okay? And in the months of September, they have, in a team of 9 salespeople, they have 8 orders. So almost each person has 1 order. And the biggest order is $20,000 or about $500 million. And like us, they pay almost 20% commission. So you can do the math. 20% commission on the $500 million deal is $100 million. So now those salespeople, they are very motivated because they know they can do it. And Alibaba told me the story that they were able to build a team in 2 months and have results quickly. So they invite me to go visit. Of course, yes, I want to. In fact, our whole team went. We took all the leaders and we went to Bingyong, we went to the Alibaba office there. We spent the whole day there. We want to understand how they can do it. Most importantly, how they can do it so quickly, okay? I can boil down to 3 things. First is recruitment, all right? So they hire higher quality people. Really not easy to get into that team. There's a 2-round interview process and they ask very detailed questions, okay? They want to make sure that you're the kind of person that will never give up, that you really want success in your career. To them, that's the most important thing. They want to know your heart wants success, okay? And then they're looking for your knowledge and experience. So they want to know the candidate understand something about export and e-commerce. That's a bonus, that's ideal. And then the third thing they look at is whether you're healthy, you're physically strong, and your mind is strong, right? They don't want to hire people that come to work one day and take 3 days off because they're sick. So I can tell you the interview process is difficult to get in, and that's how they hire high quality people. And we want to replicate that. So that's why I tell HR, please, only high quality people. People who can remember what I just said. What's the most important lesson in sales, right? What is it?
Đầu tiên là chúng ta bán không phải ở chuyên môn mà chúng ta biết đơn hàng cái gì để tìm cách lý do sao.
Okay, you say it right. Okay, thank you. A1, $100, right? And so that's the first thing. First thing is recruitment, getting high quality people into the team. Okay, and 2 is very strong leadership. They have to import strong leaders from China and Taiwan to come here because they can't find that kind of people here, right? And they pair them with Vietnamese, English, Chinese translators. The leaders already understand how to sell the product, and they're very good at managing people and process. And that is a very important lesson for their success, right? And the third thing, they care about the details. The strong leaders motivate the people. Now they're motivated and now they focus on the details. So every morning, the teams will get together and they will talk about which customers they're gonna go see. And then they all leave. They all go out and meet customers. Very few people stayed in the office and just sit there. There's nobody like that. When we got into the office was empty. We arrived around 9:30, but everybody already left, go see customers. Okay? And at the end of the day, the salespeople come back. They have to report. They have to report how many customers they saw, who did they see, what are the customer problems, and if they cannot handle, the sales leader will go with them to see the customer. And one of the things that the sales leader asks is, how many unannounced visits you did today? These are visits to customers that you did not set up appointment. You just go there and then knock on their door, just like when I was selling pizza. Okay? And they say that they need to go do 5 and they must meet 2. And they only want meeting with bosses. Meeting with employee doesn't count. They will ask if you meet the key person. Okay? And 5 must get 2. If you do 8 and get 1, that means you're doing something wrong. And then the leader will work private with you one-on-one to fix that. So the reason for their success, as I see it, high quality people, high quality leaders, and very detailed on the process. Okay? And that's how they can do it in 2 months. And their revenue in second month is about 1.5 to 2T. Yeah, just second months. So this is what I want to do with our company as well. We need to improve the quality of the trainees. We're going to get better leaders or improve their leadership skills. And we need to look at the process, the details. And you are coming in at a right time because this is something that we will focus on, will make you better. So when we say that you're going to be top sales, we mean it. You're going to see those efforts coming through your team. You like that?
Yes.
Good.
Đà Nẵng dạ thấy